So I'm Quinton Winslow, manager of contracting and demolition here at Ryal Bush. So I oversee the contracting and demolition divisions and also our two quarries, basically pricing, running jobs, making sure we're delivering to what the clients need. Ryal Bush was started as a transport company back in 1951. Through then, obviously a lot of growth, especially through the 80s and 90s. In the 90s, the dairy boom created an opportunity to diversify. So that's when the contracting side of the business started up. As the dairy boom sort of changed, so did the outlook for what we needed to do work-wise. And that's when we looked into demolition. The demolition side of the business has grown quite a lot. It's just a diversification really. So now the fleet comprises of 10 excavators, over 30 trucks, we run 2 quarries, and our works go across multiple disciplines. So there's stock cartage, stock feed, fertiliser, contracting and demolition. Our excavator sizes range from 2.5 tonne up to 45, and that's a fleet made up of 2.5, couple of 14 tonners, 6 20 tonners, the 35 tonner behind me, and we've also got our 45 tonne ultra high reach demolition excavator. So we're at our Viner Road quarry at the moment. This is an alluvial quarry. We extract raw material. We run a screening operation here and also undertake crushing of aggregates. So at the moment we've got several projects going on. We're still really rural focused as well, so we've got machines working at the moment doing farm work, a lot of drainage at this time of year. Also on the civil side, we've got a subdivision in town. At Invercargill Airport, we're undertaking several projects. Recently just completed a car park extension for rental cars, and we're also just commencing a further car park. So that involves excavation of in situ material and full construction, including drainage. Notable achievement that the guys have ticked off recently is a construction of a large rock wall down in Bluff. Placement of over 9,000 tonne of rock, with some of the rock getting up to 7-8 tonne. So our 35 tonne excavator was down there, using the attached to coupler and also attached to buckets. It really allowed us to do that and have confidence in the equipment, given the environment we were working in and the material we were placing. So when I first came to the business, we already had some attached to equipment, so it was a real natural sort of progression to keep using that. But they've also been really proactive in supporting us. Across the demolition side of the business, we've got some attachments that are pretty specialised, and having such a wide range of fleet can make it really difficult to transfer those attachments. Attached to have been really good in customising some of that equipment. No, the operators enjoy the equipment. I suppose having so many machines, we try not to have people jump from machine to machine, but when they do, having that knowledge of the product and not having everything being different for them makes life a lot easier. So the project we're on at the moment is a 47 lot subdivision. We've been involved right from breaking ground, so the bulk earthworks. We're now doing the detailed civil works, including house pads for all 47 houses. Obviously it's a great investment in Invercargill and helping remove the housing shortage that we've got down here. 2025 Civil Construction Awards, we got a highly commended for this Chesney Mews project, and we also had our foreman, Brodie Davison, won the Foreman of the Year award at that event. There's been a lot of challenges, expectations of neighbours and things like that. Our equipment, we've always spec'd really well. Noise, vibration, all those sort of things are key considerations. So we've really had to keep on top of that. We've got noise and vibration monitors on site that are recording live 24/7. So to ensure we don't have any breaches of those is a real key consideration of this project. Buying from attached to has been quite a smooth process also with TDX, so our machines are spec'd with that at the moment. Had some product failures, but attached to have always stood behind their product, and it's been really positive. I think working with attached to, they're always keen to understand how you're using the product, how it can be made better, which is the real key. We're pretty diverse and we ask a lot of our plant and attachments, so having that support and that basically the backup and someone that's keen to understand is really key. As a business, Ryal Bush want to continue to grow on our reputation. We've had a lot of growth in the past and we want to continue that, but we also need to ensure we're delivering to our long-term clients and ensuring the staff have got growth in front of them as well. We want our staff to grow, we want the business to grow, and we want Southland to grow.